They can use these at any time, wherever they are, and they can also then drill down on those financial statements. So if they do have questions, which they invariably do, they can drill down and find some of that information out immediately, rather than having paper statements and say, hey, what's in this number, or hey, what's in that number. So that's been a great tool for us to get that tool into their hands, so it's a lot better communication. I feel like the software is really more for them, not really necessarily for the accounting department. And it has made the channels of communication open quite a bit more with our branch management staff. I would recommend Phocas Financial Statements to a friend, to a colleague, because it opens up a door really that, especially if you're using printed material and scanned documents in PDF, it really opens a door to have more of an active platform that you can discuss information with your staff that's reviewing that. It really opens the lines of communication between the people that are reviewing them versus the accounting staff, or with the accounting staff, so they have a common ground to speak about the issues within the financial statements. It really helps open up that dialogue, and I think there are people that are accounting people, or numbers people. Some of them branch managers may not necessarily be numbers people, but as they see this, the feedback I'm getting is they really enjoy being able to drill down, see what it means, so they understand it better. And I feel like that type of tool is better in the hands of the people that are using that information rather than the people that are reporting that information.